Hello, everybody. I hope you're doing well. Today, I want to talk about your overall attitude and enjoyment of life. Achieving a goal, especially when you have a big business goal, is a journey. And part of the success is enjoying every step of the way, enjoying who you're becoming, really being grateful and happy about who you're becoming in the process of achieving that goal. One little shift in language that I find very helpful is switching from I have to, especially when we're in business and there's so many things we have on our list to do. And I want you to shift away from I have to do versus I get to. And when you shift from this energy of I have to versus I get to, first of all, you really get to learn to appreciate every step of the way. Number two, it really shifts your energy and it puts you in greater harmony with your goals so that you can actually manifest faster. I hope you found this helpful. Have a great day. Bye.